Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good day to you, wherever you are in the world. Jeff here, Forex Trading Beginners, trading the flow. I wonder how you're all doing. Outside, you see, we've got a bit of hurricane here in Thailand. You will see the trees sort of back and forward, quite dark getting. Anyway, quick, short video, just about using the flow, as I call it, and using the best, what I consider the best time of day to trade Euro AUD. So let's just get back in right now. Before we go up here, ladies and gentlemen, let me show you this. What we're looking for in the market is typically a low, come up, a pullback, it comes up. Pullbacks typically it's the same sort of line there, and that. And then might do like a little correction, like an ABC type thing. Something like this, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, before going on to either coming back down here. Yeah, coming back down here. And something like that. That's typically what happens. Okay. Now we have an incredible indicator I use called I call it the flow anyway. So I'll just have a look at it. I'm going to focus on with Euro AUD 15-minute time frame, ladies and gentlemen. And we can take it from there. I'm going to go back, first of all. I'm going to go back, that's right. I'm going to go back. Oh, this is the 3rd. I've set my UTC to London time, so I'm going to go back for 1 week. And you see some things appear on my chart. Right, almost by magic. Boom. Let me explain what these are. Yeah, go back to what I said. I was, let me just check what I said. Correct, the 29th. Let's find the 29th. There. So this here is the first 4 hours of the day, ladies and gentlemen, in this blue zone. And what we're looking for to pop out one way or the other. First of all, we look at the market. And what we're looking for is to find the highs in the market. You can see there, this is I've got to set at 8 a.m. Price goes down, hits that there, not ATM, go down further, there, get a pullback, and we start to go down again. Now, look at the time now, 9:45. Okay? All I'm now going to do is look left, right? And I'm just asking myself, is there anything left? And I see a structure. Yeah. And the structure I see, all I do is a low. I'm not high there, but supply and demand. If you've got a bit of bankers, whatever you want to call it, a bit of order blocks. Pick a name, doesn't bother me. Whatever camp you sit in. Boom. Yeah, away you go. Now, what we like to do is we just get pull back before boom. So luckily for us, those people that traded with me, just share from it, those people who traded with me have a specific set of tools. I'm going to share that right now. I'm going to share the advantage what I believe we have in the market. Are you ready? You ready? Here we go. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to share my screen right now. That's right. So that's this low here. Yeah. It's going above there. Yeah. We get a pullback, and at that point here, ladies and gentlemen, we could even drop down as it starts pushing down there. We could drop down to the 5, the 3, or even the 1 minute. That was on the 29th. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to just notice the time of the day that happened, because it's really important. Because the amount of people that get these amazing tools I give them, but they're forgetting one thing. They're forgetting about the time of the day, which is right there. Now we're on the 1 minute just to prove a point, right? Some people say you can never trade off the 1 minute. Yeah. So we've got this order block. this banker scandal, supply and demand. Pick one, anyone will do. Yeah, it pops back down there, and we're expecting it to reject off there. And if by chance, as soon as it breaks down, get above there. For me, the way I trade, ladies and gentlemen, I do not enter the trade there. Some people do. I do not. What I do, I wait for it to go above, pull back, ideally the other side of this. That's right, I'll show you that there. The other side of this here. So there's the low, got that there, and as soon as price goes above there, apologize, that's the stop loss. And it's, in fact, in this one I would actually enter there, but this here is pullbacks here, so I would actually enter there on this particular one. That would be the entry. My stop loss would be there, 1 pip after there. And we just, as long as that stays on this side of the trend, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot make this stuff up. It pulls down into consolidation. Yeah, just made a nice 3.85%. Yeah. Now, is it possible to stay in longer? Yes, you can. So remember what I said about the wave. So we've had a wave up and it's came down. We've had a wave up and it's came down. And now when I get this wave up, and ladies and gentlemen, it goes to the moon. And we wait for it to break through. It gets above there, pulls back. There's the stop loss. There's the entry. You cannot make this stuff up. Simple, easy, effective. And if people are not trading this way, they are missing a huge trick. Now, 20%. So let's just look at this. The promise here was the time of the day. Hello at 9:33. So round between 7 and 9, something happens. Between 7 and even 9:30, something happens. Okay? I have to wait a little bit longer. And if you go up here, typically, something happens there. Oh my God, you cannot make it. It's another one. Usually, there's another one there, ladies and gentlemen. That was a continuation. It was a continuation. We would have been so lucky. Yeah. And that finished there. But what I want to do, that's just one of many. This happens on a daily basis, every single day. Yeah. And we wanted to stay in that. There was a huge opportunity for 38%. But I'm not claiming that. I can't claim that. I can only claim every single one of these. Yeah. With the trade like Jeff system. Now, I'm very fortunate to be part of a group, as you all know. Those people who know what I'm all about. Comes down there. That's it there. And we get another opportunity to break through above there. Just let me do this. But you can see it's huge, ladies and gentlemen. Now, anyway, that's on it. So look at this time here. Yeah. Now, I want you to bring your attention to 1500. I want you to look at EUR USD between 1 and 1500 every day. Right? We'll go back to the 15-minute time frame. Just for speed, I'm going to press auto. And what I've set here, ladies and gentlemen, back 1 week again, just speed this up now. Here's all the windows. What's the time there? 1500 reaches the high. Time's the low. 8 o'clock. It's a huge drop from 1500. Yeah, then here's that there. Following day, yeah, you look left, nothing there, so it comes back. We'll do nothing until it hits there. So look at the time, that's 10 a.m., so it's morning time. And we look to 1500 and we get this drop. Not a big one this time, but drop enough. Now, if you drop that to the 1 minute, ladies and gentlemen, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, you could have had a nice trade out of that. Next day, look at that there, 8 a.m. Next day, just after, what time is this? 1500. There it is, 1545 versus. Next one, morning, up there, drops this time, goes back up, and it's a continuation trade in the afternoon. That's what happens on a daily basis, ladies and gentlemen. You see this time it's a drop, and around about that time it reverses. Next one. That's consolidation, but it has been dropping. Around about that time, you see there, boom. Again, around about that time, it drops. Ladies and gentlemen, that time drops, no reversal today. But all I'm showing you is something that happens consistently. Round about this time, direction, come down, with a small change of direction, but would not have been in that for a buy. So we're waiting for the pullback, boom. Simple, easy, effective. Now, those people want to learn to trade with me. Those people already trading with me, well done. You know what you're doing on already. You're already getting great results. Well done, and you know who you are, guys. What I love about this is some people like massive indicators. I'm liking more and more of approach, where I use the flow just to keep the head out of the way. And I'm using the times of the day now. I'm using the times of the day, and I'm looking at every single one of the people in my mentoring program to help them. Because we'll have some people who, got to be honest, some people have pharmacists, some people retired, some people truck drivers, different walks of life. Whatever you are, ladies and gentlemen, I do encourage you to have a look. You can get a 7-day risk-free trial with us. Enroll with us for 7 days. You're not totally happy, we'll give you 100% of, because it is not free, of what you invest back. Have a great day, ladies and gentlemen. Like, comment, share. I would like to see what you say. Bye for now.